Someone told me today, तेरे तो खुद के इतने problems हैं, तू दूसरों की problems क्या solve करेगी? If you are such a good psychologist, you should have been able to solve your own problems in the first place before you could enter into solving others. And the only thing I could do was smile. Because ये साइकोलॉजी की एक बहुत गलत धारणा या समझ है, क्योंकि एक डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट जो होता है, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट ही इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैव डायबिटीज़ और ही इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी सफरिंग फ्रॉम डायबिटीज़. अ कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट को हार्ट अटैक आ सकता है, और एक ऑर्थोपेडिक डॉक्टर जो होता है उसका हाथ भी फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है, हाथ पैर कुछ भी फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है, राइट? सो जस्ट बिकॉज दे हैव अ फ्रैक्चर और हैव सफर्ड अ हार्ट अटैक और आर डायबिटिक, डज दैट मेक देम बैड डॉक्टर्स? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, because professional knowledge and personal suffering are two completely different things. As psychologists, we are not people with perfect lives. We are people who are trained to understand the human mind, the emotions, behaviors, perceptions, relationships and healing patterns. And इस सब में से एक बहुत गहरी बात मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, that all of this, your own personal suffering, it sometimes doesn't weaken you, it deepens you. आपको और गहरा बनाता है ये सब कुछ. अगर आपने एक हार्ट ब्रेक सफ़र किया है तो आपको कंपैशन समझ में आएगा. The anxiety that you have learned to manage, it teaches you patience. The grief that you have withstood or that you have carried inside you, it teaches you to sit beside someone and understand their pain, their grief, their hurt without the need of fixing it. उसको ठीक करने की जल्दी में नहीं होते हैं हम, क्योंकि हम समझते हैं कि ये दर्द कैसा फील होता है. Empathy doesn't come from being perfect, it comes from being human. If I have never fallen while learning how to ride a cycle, मैं यहाँ बैठ के आपको theoretically ज्ञान दे सकती हूँ कि आप ऐसे चलाओ साइकिल, आप वैसे करो, आप इस मोड़ पे इस तरीके का टर्न लो, लेकिन मैं ये कभी समझ नहीं पाऊँगी कि what is the pain that you are feeling and how to get over it and how to get back on that cycle seat without the fear of falling. So people who have walked through darkness know exactly how to hold the torch for someone else. The point of saying all this is that no, I don't have a problem-free life. To help people heal, what I need is knowledge, ethics, the right kind of training, and above all, I need to be having the willingness to walk along with someone while they find their own strength. Being able to help people heal is not about never being broken. And sometimes, because we know what broken feels like, that we as psychologists, as psychiatrists, as mental health and health workers become safe enough for someone else to be able to confide in us and start their healing journey.